This is John Pinelli, Financial Representative, talking to you today about low-cost health insurance for families. So families may look to obtain some low-cost health insurance. If they are unable to obtain it through their employer, they may look to obtain some outside coverage. Now, typically the best avenue for them to pursue in obtaining low-cost health insurance is to look to an HMO, something like Kaiser, versus looking at a more expensive PPO like Blue Shield or Blue Cross. Kaiser will offer benefits at a much lower cost than some of these providers. You won't have the choice of specific doctors that you may see, and some of the benefits may not be quite as great, but you will be able to obtain the coverage, and it will be quite a bit more affordable than looking at some other PPOs. Typically, high deductible plans will have a cheaper cost than some of the lower deductible plans. So if you're looking to insure family members that don't visit the hospital very often but are looking for some coverage just in case something catastrophic happens to them, looking at some high deductible plans might be a viable option there. If for some reason you are unable to afford the coverage provided by cheaper HMOs like Kaiser, you can see if you can qualify for Medicaid. In California, it'd be Medi-Cal, and this is a government-based healthcare program that enables low-income families to obtain some coverage through an application process that they would have to go through. If you, for some reason, have insurance through your current employer but are unable to afford adding children onto the plan, some states have government-based programs which will allow children to obtain coverage at a very low and affordable cost just for those children, even if you as a family may not be able to apply or qualify for something like Medicaid. So this is a nice way to sort of bridge the gap for families that may not be able to qualify for Medicaid but may not be able to afford adding a child onto their own individual insurance policy. So look and see if your state participates in programs such as these. I know California does through the Healthy Families organization. So if you're looking for low-cost health insurance, look to some HMOs that are out there. See if you can have children affordably added to your own individual plan at work. If not, see if you can apply for Medicaid, or if you're just looking to obtain some affordable coverage for children, look at supportive programs such as Healthy Families. So this has been John Pinelli, Financial Representative, talking to you today about how to obtain affordable family health insurance.